In this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price. We are going to talk about the Ethereum price action. We are going to look into Cardano as well as BNB and VeChain. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's give you a quick recap from our previous analysis. So diba, let's look at the very short term first kasi diba, we were still expecting a consolidation still with the Bitcoin price between the 55 up until the 59k area. And look at that, we are still playing within that area. So yeah, for me, I expect still more consolidation not unless ma-break natin tong area. So if ma-break natin to, then yeah, we are going to see a movement to the upside. Then what would be our next target if ma-break natin yan? Then that would more likely be around the 64,000 US dollars. Kasi look at this, 64,000 US dollars actually acting as a resistance dito. Actually, 63.6k. So yeah, yun natin pwede watch out if ma-break natin si 59k. And yeah, I still expect more consolidation pa dito kasi look at that. We are not yet still getting that buy volume. And another reason kasi if we are going to zoom out, you can see now we are still inside this descending channel. So yeah, right now we are not yet still expecting a breakout siguro in the next week pa. Kasi look at that, ang layo pa natin bago natin ma-break. And we are still catching up with the 100-day moving average. So yeah, right now, we can expect more consolidation not unless we break this descending channel resistance kasi ma-break natin yan. Then yeah, we are going to see a big move. And if ma-break natin to, then our target for this descending channel would actually be the top of the channel, which is the previous all-time high. So yeah, that one would be our target. But right now, we are still playing within that area. And I suggest na buy the dip, follow dollar cost average strategy, and just hodl pa sa ngayon. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price action. Now let's dive into Ethereum. Kasi look at that. We actually had a breakout with Ethereum. And after that breakout, nagkaroon tayo na actually ng pullback. And then I think right now, we might get another leg to the upside. Kasi look at that, nagkaroon tayo ng pullback. And you can actually see na ating 20 MA or 21 EMA is actually now acting as a support. So we can actually get a good bounce dyan, a significant bounce if let's say mag-bounce tayo dyan. Nonetheless, ang target natin still for Ethereum will still be the 4,850 US dollars as well as the 5,150 US dollars. So same pa din yung ating target natin kay Ethereum. And as you can see, we might be forming this bullish divergence in the early time frame kasi look at that. Price is declining, RSI is increasing, indicating that this might be a bullish trend reversal for the Ethereum price action. So yeah, we might see a leg up to the upside kay Ethereum. So yeah, let's monitor this closely in the coming hours if this one will play out. So yeah, that's for the Ethereum price action. And guys, if you want to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon kasi dito, kay Bingbon, mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And yeah, nag-rebrand din sila actually to BingX. And might as well, gusto nyo malaman yung kanilang latest event, which is yung kanilang Christmas Gala Night. So yung Christmas Gala Night, marami silang pag-giveaway. So you can actually join dito. And yun nga, sasali pa lang kayo, pwede na kayo actually makuha ng bonus dito. So, sali lang kayo guys dito sa kanilang latest event nila. So BingX or Bingbon is actually having this Christmas bonus event na dedicated for you guys. So sali lang kayo guys if gusto nyo talaga sumali. And take note guys, in the coming days, magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong raffle in the coming days thanks to Bingbon or BingX. Kasi yun nga, because of your never-ending support, we are going to provide you more giveaways dito sa ating channel. So as usual, if gusto nyo maka-entry dito sa ating mga giveaway, all you have to do is just to sign up with my sign-up code. And yeah, siguro abang-abangan nyo aking magiging update in the coming days kasi magkakaroon tayo ng paunahan ulit ng ating free crypto giveaway. So magkakaroon tayo ng free crypto giveaway in the coming days. So first come, first serve yun sa unang makapag-register sa aking sign-up link. So sasabihin ko sa inyo guys kung kailan yun lalabas. Kaya stay tuned lang kayo dito sa ating mga videos para malaman nyo kung kailan siya at maging mauna kayo sa ating giveaway. So that is for the Ethereum price action. Now let's dive into Cardano. Kasi look at this. Cardano naman has actually been playing this weekly time frame movement. So, diba, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo kasi I was expecting still more consolidation kay Cardano and yeah, we are still having that consolidation. Pero on top of that, diba, sabi ko sa inyo, you need to look at the weekly time frame. Now, why is that na kailangan natin tingnan sa weekly time frame? Well, it's because, look at this. Cardano is now actually having a strong support ngayon at the 50-week moving average. So, let's hide the other moving averages. And you can actually see na meron tayo ngayon panibagong support dyan. Kasi 'di ba, sinasabi natin if break natin yung 20-week EMA, then 50-week EMA would be our target dito. MA pala, sorry. So yeah, right now we are having that strong support at the 50 MA. Pero if ma-break natin yan, then of course 100 MA na ating next target. Pero I don't think na abot tayo doon kasi look at this. During a bull market, Cardano has only been at the lowest point ng kanyang 50 MA, especially nitong week. So yeah, I don't think na bababa na tayo below this level. And yeah, yun yung aking monitor dito for Cardano. Actually, I've been buying more Cardano ever since this dip kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, 1.47 would be an ideal target. And look at that. Pumunta tayo sa 1.47 exactly as predicted. And yeah, I think pwede tayo mag-consolidate dito further between the 50 and 20-week moving average. And take note guys, this is in the weekly time frame. So, this is in a bigger time frame talaga. So, if you want to follow Cardano, you need to follow this at a macro level and not for the very short term. Kasi of course, Cardano has this habit of consolidating for a very long time. So that is for the Cardano price action. Let's dive into BNB naman. Kasi right now kay BNB, nag-form naman tayo ng panibagong resistance and this is the $664 US. Kasi look at that. We were rejected once, twice, thrice, and then 4 times. So right now, the BNB price action is now having a very strong resistance dito. And the moment na ma-break natin to, I might add a new long position dito kay BNB. So right now, that is what I am monitoring if ma-break natin to. So if this breaks to the upside, then yeah, I'm going to long BNB dito. And as usual, kailangan natin ng buy volume in order for this to confirm the move. Pero right now, we are still consolidating within this area. And kailangan natin siya ma-break with buy volume in order for this to confirm. And yeah, siguro follow natin siya in the coming days kasi this one could be a pretty significant move kay BNB. So yeah, right now, added to watch list tayo ngayon kay BNB. And last but not the least, let's look into VeChain naman. Kasi look at this. Kung kay BNB meron tayong resistance, kay VeChain naman meron tayong strong support na nag-form. And look at this. This support is actually within the 10 cents area up until the 11 cents. So you can see na support, dito naging resistance. Now it's actually acting as a support, indicating na we are at a good re-entry opportunity right now for VeChain. So right now, I think VeChain is at a very good buying opportunity right now. So yeah, ako meron akong VeChain naka-hold ngayon sa spot wallet. So, yeah, sa ngayon, spot wallet yung magpapagalaw sa akin kay VeChain. And yeah, siguro ang ating target pa din natin dito for break natin to would be the 14 cents area. So, right now, 14 cents area pa din target natin kay VeChain. If ever na makuha tayo ng bounce dito sa ating strong support at the 10 cents area. So, yun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.